Hello, in today's lesson I'm going to show how to find the stationary points of a Lagrangian function for the following constraint optimization problem. Maximizing the function 2xy subject to a constraint 4x plus 2y equals 16. The function is the 2xy and the constraint after rearranging make it equal to 0 is 16 minus 4x minus 2y equals 0. Then I prepare the Lagrangian function in this way. And after multiplying the brackets, we get 2xy plus 16 lambda minus 4 lambda x minus 2 lambda y. The next thing to do is to find the partial derivatives in respect of lambda, the x and the y, and then make them equal to 0. Then we found these three equations, 16 minus 4x minus 2y equals 0, 2y minus 4 lambda is equal to 0, and the 2x minus 2 lambda is equal to 0. Then we need to solve them simultaneously to find what are the values of the lambda, the x, and the y. We may choose any of the two equations. I can choose the equation. You may choose any of these three equations. I can choose the equation 2 and 3. Now I'm going to multiply the second equation by 2 and then we subtract the two equations so we can find another equation in respect of x and the y. The equation we found is that 2y minus 4x equals 0, and I'm going to use this equation together with the first equation and find what are the values of the x and the y. Now adding these two equations, we have the equation minus 8x is equal to negative 16, and if I divide both sides by negative 8, I have the value x equals 2. Plus 2. This is one of the solutions, one of the values of x that give you a stationary value. The next thing to do is to use substitution and find the value of y. So I can use any of the two equations. So the value of the y is 4. We use substitution. Now to find the value of the lambda, we need to use any of the equations and these values, and then we can find the value of the lambda. And finally, we find the value of the lambda as 2 by using substitution. And then we solve this optimization problem. This is the lesson. If you like the lesson, don't forget to subscribe to see more lessons like this one.